Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. It is a new year, so it is time for a new blooper video. Over the years, I've made so many blooper videos, and they are my favorite videos that we upload because they just make me laugh. If you like blooper videos, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because we're uploading funny videos, cute videos of little puppies and dogs, and a bunch of new recipe baking videos this year. Oh yeah. But today, bloopers, blippers, bloppers, flops and flops, funny moments, deleted scenes, and some very dyslexic moments. I hope you enjoy. Let's roll the footage. Hi guys, it's Ro. What? Hey guys. Hey. Just kidding, that was a fake intro. Pew, 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 here we go. Hey guys. Can I do it again? I'm sorry, I was so weird. Hey guys.
Sorry, and go ahead.
Are you feeling the energy? Woo! Are you feeling the vibes? I'm definitely filming up my nose right now. 2 shots of vodka, grapevine, and then a kick of... Oh my gosh, do you have to hold his ears up ever when he eats?
Yeah, because...
Here you go. I got your ears. This reminds me of college. This is a wand. You know what? No one's gonna remember that because I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. Perfect.
Is that Molly down there?
Yeah. Do you see her? Jalapeno, jalapeno, jalapeno. Jalapenos, 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 jalapenos. Pen, jalapenos. In front of me, I've got shredded lettuce, jalapenos. Oh, I was giving myself a high five with a spatula and I hit myself really hard. I really didn't judge that right. Okay, we're good now.
This is what you want to be doing. That's good.
Are they gonna bite me?
They might, but it's okay. Here you go.
Because here I feel like they can't bite me. Here I feel like they're gonna bite me.
They're not gonna bite you.
But scars are sexy. So
Yeah.
go ahead, take a chomp. This is how I brush my hair now.
I feel like that works surprisingly well.
It really does. So I will say they're kind of like, I just poke myself in the throat. It goes open, and you go, and you go, that's the one I want, and you go, oh. If I wasn't dyslexic, I'd be casting a spell right now, okay? May the cursed luck have fallen on thy head, and spiteful, it's either coin or rain. I can't tell. Well, they're writing in cursive. In my defense, it's upon thy brow. Cookies are ready to bake. You're gonna heat your oven to 700. Wait.
375.
Not 700 degrees. Do not bake these at 700 degrees.
For 1 minute.
For 1 minute, for 30 seconds.
Take care of the hair, the makeup, the outfit.
Too tight. A little less. It's supposed to be a choker, but not like
Literally.
a choker. This spell is just called husband.
Oh,
Ooh.
I see the husband.
I didn't know they had this kind of stuff in here. It's like a... Oh, there's a little dingle at the end. Get off of there. This is my lunch. Just all these donuts and coffee. I'm sorry, I have one life to live. I'm gonna eat what I want. So this year is rough. So whatever you gotta do to get through it, you do it, boo. You just get through this year. That's your job. Now my job is to make this load of nachos. That's vampire. Wait. Do I look like a tiger?
Oh.
That was no. It's more like no.
Yeah, I like that.
No, it's not it. I don't know how to do a tiger really. Tiger King, not Lion King, Mom. Love you. Just put it in. I love you. I love you.
Yeah,
That's what she said. I'm 5 years old. My hands are on fire, but don't look like your hands are on fire. Pretend you're on naked and afraid. That seems a lot harder than this. Welcome to my new house.
I love it. Can I move in?
Yeah, I just bought a beach house. This is it. I'll do a house tour later.
I want to visit every day.
It's a studio, so the kitchen is the bedroom, which is also the bathroom, which is also the living room.
Okay, so we're rolling, literally.
This is looking, dang it, fridge. Ooh, look at that. Looks like little clouds. Whoa, okay, almost lost our fluff. Here we go, our butter fluff. No, this is, oop, do you even bake, bro? Right, I have banana in my hair. I don't think you can see it. No. We're gonna leave the seeds behind. Well, they're in there. Looks like a lemon. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Something that's worked for me is adding the dry ingredients. Whoa! You know what I need is really a Red Bull. I mean, I really need one and I'm gonna go have one because you know what? I'm doing me. Don't film me drinking my Red Bull.
Behind the scenes.
And if you guys make this, guys have some Red Bull? Okay, we're focused. And we're focused. We're baking. We're making balls. Let's do this. Henry! My sister's dog barks at the mailman every day. Every day. Henry goes, wow, woo, woo. Like he's never seen a mailman, but he sees it every day. That's what you sound like. Oh no, don't step on Blueberry. No, Coconut, that's your own tail. Ooh. Oh.
Rose.
Hi, Blueberry. I know you're doing good. I'm popping off.
Dang.
This is it. I'm feeling it, okay? This is what happens to me when I'm short-circuiting. Yes, words. All right, so to cut avocado, bomb. You're so distracting. That should help. Back and dip, page 44. And I love them so much, not because just they're good, but that's not a sentence. Like, pew, 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 pew. And ta-da, there you have it. Delicious cauliflower chocolate. Can I just eat it? Then cream together until light and fluffy. I'm gonna be fluffy. Oops. Whippity wipity. Woo, 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 woo. Peanut butter Rice Krispie chocolate chips. Well, no. Cooling, we're gonna prepare. Blah, 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 blah. In front of me, I have a mini Muffy tin. Done. Because I love baking and I like seeing your yummies and I want to eat them. No, that sounds weird. Don't put that in there. Nope, scratch that.
Boom, done. Nailed it.
Done. We're over it.
We're over it.
Smell you later. All right, that does it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the bloopers as much as I did. I love to laugh and I love bloopers and I love brain farts and funny moments like that. It just makes me smile and that's why these blooper videos are maybe my favorite videos that we upload. I love all the baking videos we do, but the blooper videos, they just have a special place in my heart. Anyways, I hope they made you giggle, I hope they made you laugh, and I hope you enjoyed. So if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do this year, because we're doing a bunch of them. All right, bye-bye. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here, or up here, or up here, or up here. Bye.